Okay, so now for Tuesday's activity. Let me get my paper clip off here. Okay, so we talked about the first Thanksgiving and the activities today in the books and in the videos. So we have a couple little Thanksgiving characters here. So what you can do is you can color our two friends here, Thanksgiving characters. And then families, you might want to help our friends cut around these parts, unless they are very seriously expertised in cutting. They're a little hard. We would typically cut these out for them. And then you fold on the dotted lines and they kind of stand up a little bit. So we have our little pilgrims here that kind of go along with our book today. Okay, next activity that I have for today is turkeys and feathers. So what you're going to do is you can write your name at the top and you're going to look on the turkey and see that there's a 1. So how many feathers do you give the turkey? 1. What about when it says 3? You give it 3 feathers. What about 2? 2 feathers. 4? 4 feathers. 5? 5 feathers. And then you're going to get 1 and you're going to do this one and have your name at the top and do 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So you're going to practice counting up all the way to 10. Okay, let me set this to the side. So those are our 2 things there. And then we have one more thing today. And let me get that out here. So we talked about how the Indians kind of lived off the land, the Native Americans. They also made things like soap, they made jewelry and clothes. So we're going to do something with this beautiful string here. And these are actually noodles that are colored. So they're not actually beads, but we're going to pretend they're beads. They're our beads. And they smell like vinegar because we colored them. Okay, so you're going to use this end. It has tape on it, families, so that they can more easily get it through the noodles. And these are a little thinner than the noodles I usually use. This is what I had. So I'm going to stick it through and I'm going to make a necklace. So you want to be careful, friends, not to let it slide all the way to the other end. So you kind of want to maybe lay it on the table, the one end that you're not beating through, and be careful it doesn't fall down on the floor. That happens so much here at school. But you're going to create a necklace. So we have, push it through. And families, this works on their fine motor skills. Okay, and it's kind of fun in the process. It's create your own art. So I'm going to bead through. And the tape just makes it slide through easier because when you don't tape it, the yarn starts to fray. Okay, so you're going to bead on there, and there might be more than what you need, but you can bead. And then at the end, your family will help you tie it and make a little necklace out of it, okay? But make sure you let your families help you do that part. Okay, so that is our activity, our last activity for today. Okay, I hope you have a wonderful Tuesday. Bye.